Today, ISRO, NASA, SpaceX, and many other organizations are doing intensive research on astronomy. Do you know, thousands of years before, our ancestors did a lot of research on astronomy and gave us a lot of findings. And their findings and their research is far advanced than modern astronomy. Today we will see few details about them. Okay, when it comes to the books that we got from our ancestors gave us a lot of books regarding astronomy. Aryabartta gave the book called Aryabarttayam in 6th century. Bhaskaracharya gave us Siddhanta Shiromani in 12th century. Varahimihira gave Brihat Samhita in 6th century. Aryabartta also gave Surya Siddhanta in 6th century. Brahmagupta has given the book Brahmasputa Siddhanta in 7th century, and the astronomer Lalla gave Shishya Vridhidha in 8th century. And the knowledge given in these books is far advanced when compared to the modern science. Okay, and to write these books and to do this research in astronomy, they used to have more advanced labs of astronomy. Okay, so let us look into these labs that were built by our ancestors. Aryabartta, who lived at Kusmapura in 6th century, has a laboratory. His laboratory name is Khagola. Kha is space, Gola is a spherical instrument. Okay, and Lalla, who belonged to 8th century, given us 12 types of machines in Shishya Vridhidha to do astronomical research. And these machines are Gola Yantra, Bhagana Yantra, Chakra Yantra, Dhanus Yantra, Gati Yantra, Shanku Yantra, Shataka Yantra, Kranti Yantra, Pita Yantra, Kapala Yantra, Shalaka Yantra, Yasti Yantra. These 12 yantras or machines were described in his book called Shishya Vridhidha. And Bhaskaracharya, in his book Siddhanta Shiromani, he mentioned a machine called Nadi Valaya Yantra. And these machines were used to calculate planetary motions and determine time. And we will look into some other ancient machines and their usage. Shastama Yantra is used to calculate the diameter of the sun. Jayaprakash Yantra is used to study night skies and stars. Kapala Yantra is a bowl-shaped instrument, has been used to determine latitudes and longitudes, and thus enabled astronomers to depict the picture of celestial space. Rama Yantra is constructed in cylindrical space to record the movements of astronomical objects. And these machines and these laboratories were built by our ancestors thousands of years ago, and after doing a lot of research on astronomy, they gave us the book which I mentioned in the beginning of the video. In the recent times, that is in the 18th century, Saswi Jai Singh II established an astronomical observations called Jantar Mantar, okay, in 5 cities: Delhi, Jaipur, Mathura, Ujjain and Varanasi. Except in Mathura, all other observations still exist today. And this Jantar Mantar is a practical example of astronomical labs used by our ancestors. And can we imagine that studies on astronomy was made thousands of years ago, and all the astronomical outputs or research outputs that our scientists are giving today were already given thousands of years before by these great sages. So hats off to them. Do you know any other sage or astronomer who gave us any details about astronomy before thousands of years? Please comment under the video. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. If you liked the video, please press like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.